In this video, we are going to explain how to manage suspended tickets in Zendesk. Now, if you want to manage suspended tickets, it's quite simple. Once you logged into your Zendesk account and you are in your dashboard, you want to look at the left-hand side, which is going to be your main menu over here. There are four options. You have Get Started over here. If you click on Get Started, this is what you're going to see. If you click on Customers, you're going to see all your customers here. Organizations, you're going to see all the organizations within this specific Zendesk account. But most importantly, you're going to click on Views, which is the second option. So this is where you're going to see all your tickets. So as you can see here, if you click on Unsolved Tickets, right, you're going to see all your unsolved tickets here. If you look at the lower left corner, that's where all the suspended and deleted tickets will be at. So if you click on suspended tickets, this is where you can manage all the tickets that are suspended. You can track the ticket status here, see who received it, what's the subject, who was the sender, and the cause for suspension. Now you can also have an option here on the upper right corner that says Actions. If you click on this, you have certain options here. So export as CSV, ticket preview, right? You have side panel, so on and so forth. And if you actually have a lot of tickets here or any suspended tickets, you're going to have more actions available for you. So that is how you manage any tickets that are suspended in your Zendesk account. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.